My dear brothers and sisters, a disciple of Jesus, the 12 disciples, for example, they have two tasks, two mission, two works. Number one is to be with the Lord. To be with the Lord. When Jesus called his 12 disciples, they became his inner circle. And wherever Jesus went, they went. Whatever Jesus ate, they ate. Whatever Jesus did, they tried to do. So that's the first task of any disciple. Just like you and me, when we would like to follow Jesus, we want to be his disciples, we have to be with Jesus. Ang isang alagad na hindi sinasamahan ng Panginoon, hindi nagdarasal, hindi tumatanggap ng mga sakramento, ay hindi tunay na alagad. You cannot be a disciple without Jesus' presence. So be with Jesus. The second task of a disciple is to be with the world. To be with the world. And to change the world for the better. So, yung tinatag ni Jesus ng mga alagad, yung binuo niyang circle, hindi yan para maging exclusive club. We are not Catholics exclusively. We did not join, when we were baptized, we did not join an exclusive club. No. We joined a community, and this community is sent. That is why in the gospel, the beginning of the gospel says, Jesus said to his apostles. Matthew did not call them disciples, but apostles. An apostle is someone who is sent, isinugo. So hindi lamang sila alagad, sila isinugo. So the two tasks, to be with Jesus and to be with the world, to change the world to be better. That is why the instruction of Jesus to the apostles is cure the sick, raise the dead, cleanse the lepers, drive out demons. In other words, wherever you go, when you leave it in a better situation. Now, you may tell me, or you may ask me, Father, I cannot do that. I cannot cure the sick. Ako nga, may sakit eh. At I cannot raise the dead. I cannot cleanse the leper. I cannot drive out demons. Ako nga kumisan eh, possessed ng demons eh. No? How can I drive demons out? Yes, it is difficult and for many of us impossible if we understand it literally. Cure the sick, literally. Raise the dead, literally. You go to the memorial park and raise the dead, you cannot do that literally. But if you understand these instructions, these commands in a figurative way, pwede. We can do it. For example, raise the dead. You cannot raise someone who is physically dead. But what is the meaning of dead? It means no longer functioning. My battery is dead. My phone is dead. It's no longer functioning. You have to charge it again. So, raising the dead can also mean bringing it back to life. Yung patay na, bubuhayin mo. Ano yung pwedeng mong buhayin? Well, sa isang mag-asawa, kung wala na yung pagmamahalan, baka ang paanyaya sa iyo ng Panginoon ay muli mong buhayin yung namatay na pag-ibig. At merong mga ganon, naghiwalay, nagkabalikan, nasira, binuong muli. We can do that. We can be instruments of building up, not breaking down. Building bridges, connecting people, and not breaking bridges. Raising the dead can mean bringing someone back to life again. Spiritually, psychologically. Kaya tingnan ninyo sa paligid nyo, sa inyong mga tahanan, sa inyong mga opisina, baka meron diyang patay na. Buhayin niyong muli. Okay. Cleanse the lepers. Father, hindi ko magagawa yung magpagaling ng ketongin. Correct. Pero, ano ba yung leper? Someone that we avoid. Iniiwasan. Pinandirihan. Mga nasa laylayan. There are people like that. Walang pumapansin. Iniiwasan. Baka nga kayo yung komisyon, nakakaranas nun eh. Walang gustong kumausap sa inyo. O baka naman kayo ang gumagawa nun sa iba. Ayaw niyong kausapin. Then, Jesus is telling you, cleanse the lepers. Bring them back to the community. Pansinin mo naman. Huwag mong iwasan. So, these are some things that we can do when we go to the world to make the world a better place. Tandaan nyo, ang alagad ni Jesus, hindi lang dasal ng dasal. Ang alagad ni Jesus, hindi lang yung simba ng simba. Ang alagad ni Jesus ay hindi lang yung laging nasa simbahan, babad sa simbahan. Hindi. Ang alagad ni Jesus, nagdarasal, pero kumikilos upang gawin ang paligid na mas mainam kaysa dati. We have two missions, two tasks, to be with the Lord, to be with the world. Amen.